How does informative rights content explain copyright and fair use? In today's digital age, understanding copyright and fair use is more important than ever. With the rise of content creation and sharing, many are asking how these concepts apply to their work. Just yesterday, discussions around copyright and fair use gained traction as creators seek clarity on their rights. This topic is particularly relevant for artists, educators, and anyone involved in producing original content. Informative rights content explains copyright as a legal framework that gives creators exclusive rights. This includes control over how their original works are used, reproduced, and distributed. Copyright applies to various forms of creative output, such as software, literature, and music. The rights typically last for the life of the creator plus a set number of years, which varies by country. For example, in India, copyright lasts for 60 years after the creator's death. Fair use is a legal exception to copyright. It allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission under specific conditions. This concept aims to balance the rights of creators with the public interest. Fair use permits activities like criticism, review, quotation, research, teaching, and commentary. However, it is essential to note that fair use is not absolute. It requires careful consideration of several factors. These factors include the purpose of use, the amount of work used, and the effect on the market value of the original work. Non-commercial or transformative uses are more likely to be favored in fair use assessments. For instance, courts have recently examined the use of copyrighted content in artificial intelligence training. They have shown that using legally obtained works for transformative purposes may be permissible. However, using pirated content is considered infringement. Informative content clarifies that fair use is evaluated on a case-by-case basis. This means that the commercial impact and the extent of the original work used are critical in determining whether fair use applies. Overall, such content educates individuals about their rights to create, share, and use copyrighted works lawfully. It also explains the limits and allowances provided by fair use. This knowledge supports learning, innovation, and free expression while respecting copyright laws.